Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a cute octopus together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw 2 curved lines for the eyebrows. Draw the mouth with a curved line, a semicircle, 2 small curved lines on the sides, and a curved line for the tongue. Trace the outline of the octopus head with a curved line, a semicircle, and a curved line. Now draw the first tentacle with a semicircle, an inverted U-shaped line, a curved line. Draw the second tentacle with a wavy line, a U-shaped line, and a curved line. Draw the third tentacle with a wavy line, an inverted U-shaped line, and a curved line. Now draw the other 3 tentacles in the same way. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Draw a line that follows the shape of each tentacle. Draw many small circles at the bottom of the tentacles. Follow me while I'm drawing them. Finally, draw 3 ovals on the head. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes and the inside of the mouth. Use purple for the octopus skin. arrange the oval and the small circles of the tentacles? Use pearl red for the tongue and the underside of the tentacles. Excellent! Our octopus friend turned out great and is ready to swim in the sea with you. Good job! Goodbye, friends. See you soon.